Good day everyone. Today I will be discuss oil color. Oil color functions and types and importance. An oil color is a device that regulates oil temperature in engines and machinery, prevents overheating and improves efficiency. How does an oil color work? Oil circulates through the color, transferring excess heat to the surrounding air or coolant. Reduce wear and tear by maintaining optimal operating temperature. So, here are the four types of oil color. First, air-cooled oil color. Functions like a radiator, uses airflow to remove heat from oil. Common in motorcycles and industrial machines. Second, liquid cooled oil color. Uses coolant or water for heat transfer. Found in cars, aircraft, and performance vehicles. More effective in high temperature environments. Third, stock plate oil color. Multiply layers of plates, increase heat dissipation. Common in performance and racing vehicles. Fourth, tube and fine oil color. Features tubes with fines to increase cooling efficiency. Lightweight and used in various automotive and industrial settings. Here are the importance of an oil color. So first, prevent engine overheating, reduce excessive heat build-up, enhancing engine efficiency. Instead, engine life, prevents premature wear on components, improves lubrication, maintenance, optimal oil viscosity for smooth operation. Second, boost performance. Essential and high performance vehicles and heavy-duty applications. So, here are the common issues and maintenance tips. First, leaks. Check for leaks and hoses or connections. Second, clogs. Regularly clean to prevent blockages. Third, cooling efficiency. Ensure airflow is not obstructed. Fourth, regular inspections prevents failures and costly repairs. Conclusion: oil color protects and enhances engine performance. Choosing the right type depends on application and cooling needs. Essential for long-term engine health and efficiency.